Very good afternoon, guys. So here is my recommendations for tomorrow. So the first recommendation that I have is MRF. It's a very famous tire company in India, and this is a positional shorting recommendation. So if it opens below its pivot of 61,325 tomorrow, I'd recommend you to sell it when it breaks below 61,230, which is a 5-period EMA, and exit it at 60,900, which is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of the high, which was made of roughly 67,690 to the low of 49,938 over a period of roughly 3 months. So the return that you're going to get, positional return, is roughly around, in fact, 0.5%. And this roughly should be achieved in a couple of days, not more than that. So my next recommendation is for Pidilite. And if it opens below 1353 tomorrow, which is the 5-period EMA, I would recommend you to sell it when it breaks below 1346 and exit this at 1337. Now, as you can see here, 1337 is a 61.8% Fibonacci retracement of the high, which was made of 1581 to the low, which was made of 1186. So this took place within a period of roughly a month, and there's a difference of little more than 30% in these levels. So this will give you an intraday return of roughly 0.6%. Warning to is that if it opens above 1378, which as you can see here is a 21-period EMA, I would recommend you to avoid intraday shorting. So let's move on to the next recommendation. This is for Reliance Industries, which has seen quite a rally over the past week. If it opens above 2106, which is its pivot for tomorrow, I would recommend you to buy it when it breaks above 2156, which as you can see here is the base of the supply zone, and exit this at the peak of the supply zone, which is 2177. So this will give you an intraday return of 1%. A warning to is that if it opens up below 2086, as you can see here is a 5-period EMA, I would recommend you to avoid intraday buying. My final recommendation to you is for Tata Consumer Products. So if it opens above its pivot of 440 tomorrow, I'd recommend you to buy it when it breaks above 446 and exit this at 484. Now 446, as you can see, is the point of intersection of this candle with the support line. So this was formerly a resistance, which has now become a support line after its breakout above this line. My warning to is that if it opens below 433, which is a 5-period EMA, I would recommend you to avoid positional buying on the stock. So that's it for today's recommendations. I've given you 1 positional buying, 1 intraday buying, 1 intraday shorting, and 1 positional shorting recommendation for today. So all the best for tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you make a lot of money. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.